Now we need to finish this table and deliver it. They chose an opaque black water-based stain, so we used general finishes. I needed to use water base because I'm working in a basement shop. I used a foam brush for the application, and I did try to work quickly, even though this was speeded up. I wasn't particularly happy with how it went on and figured I needed to wipe it off much quicker next time. So when we did the base, it was wipe on, wipe off. Since I'm not an octopus, I needed extra hands. I would wipe it on with a foam brush, let it set about 10 seconds, and she would wipe it off with a cotton cloth. On this hard maple, that gave us the most even stain coat. That is a lot of work, even when you're trying to work very fast. This is hard maple, and it doesn't really want to take stain evenly. Teamwork gets it done. Now it's time to spray the top coat. I use General Finishes High Performance Satin Water-Based Polyurethane Top Coat because I'm spraying in the basement. I like to spray on brown paper to start to get my gun adjusted properly. I started spraying the bottom side first. I like to finish both the top and the bottom so that humidity has less effect on warping the table seasonally with changes in humidity. I try to get even coats, and I try to change spraying direction in between coats. After several coats have dried, I like to feel the surface, and if I find any bumps or unevenness, I use a card scraper to scrape it smooth. Then I use 3M white Scotch-Brite to smooth it out before I spray again. This is a key to getting a truly smooth surface. To get a flawless finish, you must make sure there's no dust or debris between coats. A couple more coats and we're ready to go. This table's so big it would not fit in my SUV, and I had to rent a van. I added a couple braces on the top of the base to hold the tabletop in place. This is one big table. I hope they like it and get many years of great use. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks again.